So we're going to have a look at how we can use the calculator to make the quadratic formula a lot easier. So if we're going to solve this using the quadratic formula, and remember we get given it, so we start by just writing down what A, B and C is. Now make sure that you take the minus with the 3 and with the 11. Then what we're going to do is on our calculator we're going to use the variables to store these as A, B and C. So if you press variable, then you can see it comes up with this little screen, and we can then change the variables to be the number that we want. So we want A to be 4, so you press 4 and it says A equals 4. And then move to B, and I want B to be minus 3, press equals. Move to C, I want C to be minus 11, press equals. So we've set all our variables. Now what we can then do is literally type in the quadratic formula with those letters. So let's make it a fraction. And then it's minus, and I want B, so you press shift 5 because that's where B is, plus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A. And there's your answer. Now if you want to then go back up and find the minus one, then you just scroll back up, change it to minus, and there's your other answer.